My name is Francisco Freire. It's a pleasure to be here in FERRANDI. Brought me a lot of good thoughts and good things in my life. For me, it's a milestone for my life. That's my second time in school. I have a strong thoughts in that moment. I got very emotional. It's not easy to be in my position, for my time in life and my age and see, and go back to school. But at the same time, what I learned being in culinary over 30 years, that is a long process you never should stop to look forward and look for new things in life. Right now, I'm continuing my process of learning, and I have two young sons, and involved in the company. We have restaurants in the Los Angeles area for 31 years, and they inspire me to keep moving and do what I'm doing right now. And I want them to succeed if that's what they really like to do, and I would like to be part of it and help. And for me, it's about legacy. Oh my God, that's an incredible city. It's hard to describe how nice the rhythm, and the people and the combination of culinary. That's what I involve myself, and the beauty of the city. You guys, congratulations to you guys. You guys have a wonderful city. I did some research. My wife actually did some research. I looked through my previous school also, and the way FERRANDI, and I was explained to Chef D that the way they explain to us online and the language they use it to accommodate and look for the professional and combine people with experience and no experience and read those through lines and see that's exactly what you expected for your course. I mean, FERRANDI, I think it does a very nice job in the social related, even through the whole process and the course.